Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, remote engine start, daytime running lights, front-wheel drive, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.